Welcome back to Creative Casa. If you are looking to elevate your dining space with timeless elegance and natural beauty, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to explore world of wooden dining table design ideas that will transform your dining area into a stylish and inviting heaven. From rustic to modern, minimalist to elaborate, we have got something for every taste. So let's dive right into the world of stunning wooden dining table design ideas. If you love the warmth of rustic interiors, wooden dining tables are a perfect choice. Explore how reclaimed wood, farmhouse style tables, and natural finishes can infuse a cozy and welcoming atmosphere into your dining space. For those who appreciate simplicity and clean lines, minimalist wooden dining tables are a dream come true. Discover how sleek and uncomplicated design make a powerful statement in any modern dining area. Vintage wooden dining tables bring a sense of nostalgia and timeless beauty to your home. Will showcase elegant antique finds and tips on incorporating them into your contemporary decor. Stay ahead of the design curve with contemporary wooden dining tables that exude style and sophistication. Explore innovative designs, unique shapes, and mixed materials that refine modern dining. Feeling crafty, we have got some DIY wooden dining table projects that will unleash your inner designers. Learn how to create a customized table that suits your space and style perfectly. Working with limited space, no worried. Discover clever space saving wooden dining table ideas that maximize functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. Incorporate eco friendly choices into your home with sustainable wooden dining tables. We'll talk about the importance of choosing responsibility sourced wood and eco conscious finishes. Get creative with your dining space by mixing wooden tables with our materials like glass, metal, or concrete. We'll demonstrate how contrasting texture can create a captivating dining experience. When nothing else will do, consider custom made wooden dining tables. We'll discuss the benefits of going bespoke and share tips for collaborating with artisans. Artwork can be wonderful addition to your dining area. Learn how to choose and display art that complement your wooden dining table and enhances the overall ambience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of wooden dining table design ideas. We hope you have been inspired to transform your dining area into a place of beauty, comfort, and style. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching Creative Casa.